Hi, Akhil. Hi.
Yes. Hello. How are you, Anand?
I'm fine, Akhil. I'm fine. Thank you. How are
So
you?
I am pretty good. So Anand, first of all, I would like to know your introduction.
Yes, my name is Anand Raj. Uh, I have done my BSc with chemistry. Okay, and I am a private tutor. I am a I teach.
Okay, it's nice. It's nice. It's my pleasure to meet with you. Actually, as you already know that I am also a YouTuber, and I'm also trying to teach English language.
Yeah,
And actually, suddenly I have come to know about you.
yeah.
So yes, that is why I thought that I should talk with you.
Thank you very much. Approaching me. I'm very happy talking with you.
Yes,
So
yes,
it's also my pleasure as well as to talking with you, Mr. Akhil.
yes. Actually, it is a journey of learning English language. If you
Yeah,
want to, grow your English language, if you
yeah,
really want to speak fluently, then you must talk with people.
of course.
So you are one of them. I am very delighted to talk with you.
Same here.
Yes, actually, I was continuously watching your videos, and
Yeah,
you are also continuously talking with a native speaker on Cambly app. Actually, I used to talk on Cambly app, but it is very expensive. So I thought that I need person who is very good in English, and you are really very fluent in English.
I don't think so, but thank you very much.
Yes. And uh, I will definitely, actually, I know that you are also a YouTuber, you are a teacher, and
Yeah,
you are also making video on YouTube. So I will definitely, share your link in the description below. So all the viewers, all the people who are really interested to learn English language, they will definitely take the advantage of your video.
thank you very much. Yes,
Yes. Because I love to helping people. I love to supporting people.
of course,
Yes,
of course.
yes, and one more important thing, as I can see, you are really doing hard work, and I know that how much time you are taking out for learning English. Yes, so it is very important.
Of course. Yeah,
Yes. So my first question is,
yeah.
when did you start learning English language? And
Yes,
yeah why do you
go.
want to why do you want to improve your English speaking? What is the reason behind it?
Yes, well, Akhil, uh, when I had, finished my high schooling, then I wanted to learn science subject. So I went to, CT for learning the science subject. When I came to CT to learn science subject, then I saw all the teachers were teaching English. So anyway, I had to learn English. So I started taking private, tuition, and my teacher helped me a lot to improve my English. And after 2 years, I completely become, able to communicate with people. But
Yes,
still, I am improving every day, and nowadays especially I'm working hard to improve my English.
yes. I just want to say that anyone can learn English language. It is a cup of tea. It is
Yeah,
very easy, but
yeah.
you should be motivated. You should be, you should have inspiration to learn English language.
And one thing I would like to mention that being confidence is key to speak English. So
Yes,
confidence is a great thing that you should first make yourself confident enough that you can do it very easily.
yes. And if you will do hard work, you are improving your confidence.
Yeah, of course.
Yes,
Because when you work on something, it definitely create a psychological thing in your mind, and it will make you confident.
yes. Actually, knowledge is very important. If you really want to, get confidence. If I will talk about myself, I was very weak in English. I used to
Yeah,
hesitate. I used to fearful. But as I start doing hard work, as I start talking with more and more people, I have
Yeah,
removed my hesitation. I have removed my fear.
of course. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Some
your second question was that why did I learn English or
yes.
why I'm learning English? So
Yeah.
I wanted to answer that question. Nowadays there is no, I think everybody know the importance of English because even you are surrounding with technical world and everything. If even you are going to run your phone, cell phone or computer or laptop or something, then you must know good English, otherwise you can't operate it very well. So, and as well as in career, importance of English. And another side also, English become matter of a status in this world.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. If you want to connect it with the world, you
Yeah.
must have knowledge of English language. And I suggest people, whenever I meet with anyone, I suggest that you should learn English language. And yeah, it is very easy. You know, my mother tongue is Hindi, but
Yeah.
I'm very interested to learn English language. I have fond of speaking in English.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
One thing was also, in me that I always wanted to, visit all over the world, and I
Yes.
want to visit right now. That's why, only English can, play a bridge between the people of other country and between me.
It's great. It's great. Wherever you are going, there are some places, the language of them is very different, but they know English. So
Yes, they know English.
English is a tool which will open the door of success.
Of course, yeah.
So that is why you should learn English. And if you are learning any new language, so it also makes your mind active, creative, and it also helps to improve your memory. This is
Memory, yes,
psychological fact.
of course.
Yes. So I love to learn many languages. Right now I am, you can say that I am polyglot. I have knowledge more than two languages.
Yes.
Yes. And I love to learn the languages.
Of course, learning a language is also, makes you creative. Anyway,
Yes.
just a creative person, can learn a language. Otherwise,
Yes.
the person who is not interested in creating something, okay, they can't learn language also.
Yes.
Because learning a language also, takes lots of effort and practice and, energy.
Yes. It is a difficult, very tough task. It is challenging task earlier in starting, but if you are continue, if you are consistent, then each and everything is very easy. And
Of course, yeah.
yeah, I just want to say that, Anand, this is the time everyone is, most of the people are free. And because all the schools are closed, everyone is just sitting at their home. So
Yeah,
I think they should take the advantage of, you know of their time. They can just
of,
learn new skills, and English is one of them. What do you
of
think
course.
about it?
Really, really, because we have lots of time right now. Our schools and college are closed, so
Yes.
we should must invest this precious time on our English.
Yes, yes. Because this is really a golden time, I must say. Because I am really very dedicated. I have determination that I want to improve my level of speaking. And
Yep,
it's my pleasure to talk with you because you are one of them. You are really, very smart and very talented. You speak well, I should
thank
say.
you very much. Thank you very much. But I
Yes.
don't think so.
Yes. So Anand, it was really nice talking with you.